This week you join us as I continue to cut back the overgrown mulberry tree whilst the girls sort out the clothing that was left in the house. So this is underneath the tree at the moment. See why we're cutting it back so harshly. It's just been left to grow over the last 14 years. The house has been empty and the boughs are actually touching the ground. So got to hack it back quite severe and see what we can do with it over the next few months. I'd like to leave some shade if I can. Trying to leave as much as possible at the moment. Those branches over there will be coming off soon. So yeah, keep going at it. It's warming up now. We'll see how it goes today. Okay. There we go. Right, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's currently 23 degrees. We've got another cart full of branches for the donkey to take out. Got a few chunks of wood there ready to chop up and store ready for drying. And a lot of little branches there. I'm just taking all the big stuff out. The girls are making themselves busy clearing the things that have come out the downstairs. Most of what we've been left with is just old clothes, nothing special, and that'll be going next to the bin. Yeah. Somebody will pick the clothes up and use them for other things. So good job, girls. Right. Oh, didn't say out. You just ate it when we're coming at you with the shovel. Right then, crack on with this bit. As you can see, I've cleared all around the tree now, so you can actually stand underneath it for some shade. Everything that was hitting the ground has been dragged away. We've had the sheep in 2 or 3 times now, just to eat the leaves off the branches, and then we're dissecting the branches. Hello, Vilky. Right, well, this is the tree area all cleared. Yesterday morning, Sharon and myself set about clearing under the tree and filling this barn up with potential kindling. We've also filled the cart up with heavier stuff that can stay there till it dries out. And Karen came to help when she'd finished what she was doing. So we've got a massive stack of timber now that can be cut up to small lengths at our own leisure. It's nice to be able to walk under the tree. There's still some more branches need trimming back, but at least we can walk underneath it. Vilt can play on the grass, what grass there is, and not worry about poking his eye out, which is always a good thing. But yeah, big job out the way. Glad that's done. And this is the inset bit. It was full of debris a few days ago, and Sharon's just finished off the pile of debris that was left there with your witch's broom. Yes. So yeah, at least we've got somewhere to hang out if it does rain. We had a little bit of rain last night, but not enough to wet the concrete. Made a nice change from the 30 odd degrees that we've been getting, 35, 36 degrees. And so yeah, nice place to sit again. And you can see the temporary shower setup that we've got. That's Sharon's that she carries in the van. Just enough to douse us off after a day's work and a day's sweating. Right then. One of our next tasks is to clear out the old granary. I think it'd be a nice place to sit and chill on an evening, and it's not going to take massive loads of clearing. There's not a lot left in here, so might be on with that in a little while. I can have a drink first. I don't know what this machine is. Something to do with grinding the corn, maybe. Thinking. Got a windy handle on the back. We'll see when we unearth it. But yeah, got a fair bit of corn in there. Well, we've got a bit of corn in there to actually get rid of as well. Some little containers. But yeah, looking forward to having this cleaned out as well. Be a nice place to sit. Bit of shade with a bit of breeze would be nice. And a good view of the land as well. Me, don't worry. The barrow?
The barrow.
We do.
So
It's just going to drop out the grain, isn't it?
I was thinking.
We've got a plastic bag or something?
Yeah. We'll find one.
That might do it.
Or maybe one of them blankets.
Or...
One of them blankets, then we
them.
lift it out.
Yeah, them things there, yeah.
Yeah.
The back, the sacks.
Yeah. That's a good sack.
Aye.
Maybe that, eh?
Yeah, that'll do it. Stop it dropping through, won't it? Basically, paranoid stood on it. He's a right thug, isn't he?
He is. Seriously, like, moved, doesn't he? The steps.
Some has, yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, I'm not sure, to be honest.
Moved.
Yeah, he's a good roadblock. Big barrel. Look at that, you can see the steps now. Well done, Shazar.
Well done.
Ready? Wow. Still fairly intact.
Yeah, that'll be good then.
Aye.
That'll be good.
Yeah. Good for summer.
Yeah, what they are, Phil. Oh, they look like what you put buckets on the side, eh? Milk!
Nutter. You're a nutter.
Brock. He's Brock.
Brock
I mean, what does he want to lick that for?
Oh dear. Mandy Brock and bum.
Oh my god, this is going to be
It is, yeah.
What's his nails in that?
Oh, is it? Yeah, I'll take it out of the way.
Watch the
You
stick
don't?
out everywhere.
Okay.
And now,
Right. So,
done with the malinois.
done with them all night. Broken boy.
See, what I need is see the brush just to flick them cobwebs off there, because I will not go in here with them cobwebs. See them? Just a minute up on my head. Ooh.
Yes?
Clean it all out first.
Yep.
And then
On camera shy, have you?
clean it all out first and then start sweeping and putting the masks on.
Okay, let's do that. I just thought I needed to bring them out. Right then. So this is the main grain store. Taking the panels out of there, so we've got access to shovel it out, which Sharon's been doing with a dustpan and putting it into a barrel. We've got these panels here removed. We're going to remove them later. Having to wear masks just in case there's been rats in there, which there probably has over the years. Right, I think if we move the barrow first in case it gets a... Is there any weight to it?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Right, you want me to do it? Do you want me to do it?
Okay. The needle come off.
Hold it? Right then.
Okay.
We're just going to tip it into the barrow.
No, I think we should leave it in the tub and bury it to wherever we're going to put it. Spider alert! Karen has found a perfect place for the grain.
Go on. Let's have it. Okay.
Oh!
Get out the way. You got it?
Yeah.
So, I think if we take this to behind where Sharon's is.
Yes.
Excuse me.
It just makes it accessible. If
I'm the
anyone
filmer.
wants
I'm the movie filmer.
Yeah, with the stars.
You're the
Slash actors.
slash
Sidekicks.
slash
to. Extras.
extra work.
Yeah, extras.
Skivvies.
Can you lift?
No, it's really weird.
They want to give that away and I want to keep it.
Well, we were thinking of having it as a crib for your next baby.
So can you put down below comments what we could use it for? I suggested using it as a plant.
No, you didn't.
As a what?
A plant?
Put plants in, put black
Are you kidding?
and put plants. Yeah.
Shoving it.
Comments below, guys. Trojans, these guys, Trojans. They work like this from 7 a.m. in the morning till 10 p.m. at night.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we do.
just agree, Karen. Just agree.
Phil does.
Comments below if you believe us.
If it was winter, absolutely definitely.
Yeah, it has
Summer,
been.
Get out.
Yes, it's
No.
been over the last couple of days. It's been today. It's very cloudy and it's pretty cool. It's maybe how many degrees do you think it is? About 27 now.
Something like that. As I thought.
Yeah. So it's a lot more pleasant to work in. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a cooler day today.
And I'm just standing here watching them.
You have got every right to stand there and watch.
Fine.
Oh, thanks,
You're a
Cass.
grafter
Thanks.
normally, aren't you?
Yeah.
Not just a camera person.
Yeah.
There you go.
Call me Jack. Jack of all trades, but master of none. That. So what we're doing, clearing away, we're going to barrow
So there,
all the grain out of
granary.
the granary into there. Ta-da! Oliver!
Right, so there's the path through.
Meow! What do you think? What's your view? Yeah? Is Mummy and Daddy doing a good job? Yeah? Are they? You're just having loads of fun. Meow. Oh.
Go on, crack on, girl. Don't forget your mask when you get up there, though. All right.
I was loitering with intent.
I know you were. I know exactly.
We are going to fill these with.
Shite.
Is it grain?
Yeah, it's either
what it
chaff.
is?
I think it might be chaff. We filmed it with.
This stuff. Yeah?
I'll send Karen up in a sec for you.
Yeah. And then we're going to barrow it with that into that store over there.
Something like that. That's the theory. Tar.
The only thing is the holes in that big, really.
No, it is, yeah. Oh no.
How far up you sent the barrow?
I'll take this one and then I'll come back and do the barrels. I'll sort of move between the two jobs.
Yeah, we couldn't empty and we're not getting shoveling done.
Aye. Right, we've just called it a day. It's gone 4 o'clock. We're hungry, very thirsty. We've had a little bit of rain today, which has cooled the place down, which is nice. But we've got a little bit more to do tomorrow. Mostly clearing up, working out what we want to keep of the bits and bobs, and sort of tidying up again, making the garden hours again. But this is where we're at. So Sharon's just been finishing clearing that path there, down the steps towards the basement bit, the cellar. Got all the wicker baskets and the concrete, hard cement and stuff like that all cleared out from there. The steps need some realigning. Looks like someone's bashed into them a couple of times, so let's have a look at that at some point. Not quite sure how we're going to square those up, but a bit of leverage should do it. And this is where we're at the moment. It's been a good day. Very happy with the progress so far. I've still got to disinfect everything down, just to make sure, in case there's been any rats in here. And here's where the grain was stored. Opened it all up. The girls have done a great job clearing it out. You don't see much in there here. Anyway, it was quite deep, especially in this bit over here. At least a foot and a half deep of grain in there. But yeah, chuffed to bits with it. Absolutely chuffed to bits with it. Nice little veranda. Get a chair on there if it ever gets to raining. Cracking. Right, carry on tomorrow, tidy up a little bit. If you've enjoyed this video, we'd appreciate it if you could click the thumbs up icon. If you fancy following along with our future travels, simply click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care, folks.